Hey, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube subscribers. What's up? How y'all doing? It's your girl, Paradise Cosmetics, and today's going to be a little different. Today, we received Snack Crate. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. But yeah, we got Snack Crate today, and we're going to see what we got. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, you guys ready? What do we do? Ooh! We got nice packaging. So here's just dropping everything. Hold on. We've got Israel. We got Israel, you guys. And you know, every time I get a Snack Crate, I read their information card. This month's crate is from Israel. Total area is 8,550 square miles. Population of 8,655,535. Official language is Hebrew. A populated country on the eastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea, Israel is the only country in the world to be officially Jewish state. After the Holocaust and World War II, everybody rest their souls, pressure grew for the international recognition of Jewish state. In 1948, Israel declared its independence following a United Nations vote to partition Palestine. Much of the history of the area since that time has been one of conflict between Israel on one side and Palestine Liberation Organization and Israel's Arab neighbors on the other. Hundreds of thousands of Palestinians were displaced in 1948 conflict, and Israel lost 1% of its population. The result was series of uneasy armistice and continued skirmish that continue to this day. From the roots as an Oregon state founded on the collectivism principle, Israel has blossomed into a high-tech powerhouse in the Middle East and major force of influence on the global stage. Since 1948, immigrants from around the globe have flocked to the country, leading to melting pot of ethnics and cultural backgrounds. This diversity has made Israel a vibrant and ever-evolving nation that stimulously embrace change while keeping alive the traditional values on which the country was founded. Home to iconic sites such as the majestic Jordan River and the mysterious Dead Sea. Fun facts: Israel is the only country in the world that has more trees today than it had 50 years ago. Coffee and cafes are so good in Israel that it's the only country where Starbucks failed trying to break into the local market. Willie, did you hear that? Coffee and cafes are so good in Israel that it's the only country where Starbucks failed trying to break into the local market. Israel has the world's highest rate of university degrees on a per capita basis. The Mount of Olives in Jerusalem is the world's oldest continuously used cemetery. Pet lovers in Israel created the first ever used cable channel for dogs. It's scientifically programmed to keep dogs entertained and comfort while they are home alone. Wow. Go for Israel. Alright. So we got our informational sheets here, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's our informational sheets that we were going to be using, and let's see what we got.
Raising a daughter, if you believe in something, don't give up. Don't take no for an answer, except for with sex. Now that's difficult. And running a city.
We have so much goodies here. We're gonna try them. They look like a lot of bags. Oh, I see candy. All right. Let's try the first thing I see here. It's called Bamba Peanut Puffs, a delicious peanut flavored puff corn snack that is highly regarded all over Israel. They melt in your mouth with every bite. I would rate this. I'm going to give ratings, so it'll be like 1 out of 10. 10 being the highest. It smells like peanuts. Like peanut butter. Okay. I don't taste the peanut. It smells like peanut butter. I don't. Oh. Okay, never mind. It tastes like the peanut butter crackers. But in chip form. That's okay. Oh, wait, there we go. I like these. And it says it's gluten-free, craveable peanut crunch, no GMO ingredients, and no preservatives. I like these. Want some? Okay. I give that an 8 out of 10. I really like that. Alright. So I see these. These are called Bizzle Onion Flavor Wheat Snacks. So I see about 4 package of these. This one is the onion pack. Then we have the pizza pack. Then we have falafel. And then these are called remix. So let's try the onion pack. So let me tell you guys what those are. Bizzle onions, a crunchy, salty wheat snack shaped in onion rings and coated with a generous amount of savory onion powder. Oh, sorry. All right, let's try. So they look like this. Oh my God. Yes. 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 It tastes just like onions. Willing. Onions. And it's a wheat snack, William. Made out of wheat. I like these. They're very crunchy.
We can't tell you like them. We can't tell you like them. Just in here. Yeah, we can't tell you like them.
Y'all, these are a 10 out of 10. Oh my God. What?
You finish them off.
I thank you, Sean. I give those a 10 out of 10. I really like those. But look, Willie, we got 3 flavors. Pizza, falafel, oh, and then don't forget the mix. Everything. Alright, so we're going to try the pizza one. The pizza one says, this crunchy wheat snack is uniquely shaped and flavored with zesty seasoning reminiscent of favorite pizza. Alright, you ready? It looks like this. Y'all. Oh my god. Willie. I fuck with this. Sorry. Guys. This is also a 10 out of 10.
Some type of children somewhere around here. Always listening to you. Huh. Like
With my card,
Waffle Crisp.
your unneeded things can find a new life. It's easy to make some money
I get down there.
or find a great deal.
Alright. That's a 10 out of 10. Now they got the falafel flavor.
Sell almost anything for
I love me some falafel. Falafel.
The dealer gives you a trade-in offer lower than you expected. Will you take
Love
it?
it.
Should you take it? It feels like you're in the
Huh?
middle of some weird game.
He looks sad.
I was over there, now I'm over here. Then he closed his eyes.
Really? Next time, start with CarMax.
I like kitty cat.
Offer good for 7 days. So you have plenty of time to compare your options without any other pressure.
Alright.
The way trade-ins,
So the falafel one.
selling should be.
Falafel one. Great taste of Israel's favorite dish in a crispy noodle form. These crunchy snacks would satisfy your munchies with the addicting texture. And it looks like this.
Whatever your money goes, we know the smartest way to discover and compare the smartest credit cards, mortgage lenders.
Guys, this would be good in a salad.
Turn to the nerds.
Yeah. Huh? This will replace the croutons. Because it's so small. So it's so tiny. Less crunchy. I like these. I like those. 10 out of 10 for that one.
Never gonna be proud of me, no matter what I do. My dad's not alive, but my mom's
Then we got the mixed one.
looking down at me from heaven. But I think he's super disappointed looking up at me from hell.
Crunchy wheat snack with a mix of spiral and tubular shapes coated with sweet. Oh, this is a sweet and savory blend of smoky barbecue flavor. This is a barbecue flavor, Willie. Now, I have tasted some smoky barbecue flavors from other countries that I tried. And not quite people got it correctly. So, let's see what Israel is all about. Ready, Israel? Let's see what you got. So they look like, kind of like this. No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. The flavor is not. Willie. Okay. when you guys make a smoky barbecue flavor, I would like to taste the barbecue. There's no barbecue in this. All this tastes like is smoky. Smoke flavor.
Sometimes you just gotta take a break from searching, you know? Enjoy some baseball. Well,
I don't like that.
Which one is it?
The barbecue.
Barbecue.
Smoked barbecue.
expecting.
I don't taste the barbecue. I just taste smokiness.
Properly.
That's basically barbecue, isn't it? Sometimes smokiness.
Look at that. I don't like that. I give that a 5 because I'm being too nice. That's a 5. 5 out of 10. Hold on. Ooh, I got a soda here. So I'm gonna drink that later. Huh? Would you mind giving me a cup of ice? Ooh, they gave us some chocolate coins. Got some chocolate coins here. I haven't had a chocolate coin in like years.
Well, okay.
Look at that, guys. This is so cute. 3 chocolate coins. Ah, wow. Okay. That was mine. Alright, let's see what else they got. See? Alright, so we're going to try the other Bamba Peanut Puffs. This has creamy hazelnut filling. Light crispy corn puffs flavored with peanut butter and stuffed with rich hazelnut cream. Let's see what they want. They look like this.